Vending machines are just one of the modern conveniences in the world because it provides you with your necessities almost instantly. Pressing some buttons is all that it takes for you to gain satisfactions whenever you need school supplies. These machines have been designed for our comfort to increase it with no harm intended. The machines works 24/7, only need a couple of hours to keeping them serviced and stocked with their necessities and products.
Presented, the Mapua Bookstore Vending Machine.
Running late? Are you in a hurry? No worries! Our product innovation is about
So, what are we trying to solve with our product?
Long lines at the bookstore? That's what we are solving. Our product innovation intended to solve the long lines at the bookstore during the rush hour at school.
The long lines, the store hours, and the location of the present bookstore. So the main bookstore of Mapua is currently located at the ground floor of the South Building. It's unfair for the students if you come from the north and the west to go to the South Building just to buy a piece of paper or a booklet or a pen.
So, you wonder how our product is different from other vending machines. First, we installed a tapping mechanism where you can tap your ID and then BAM! You will get your product. The second is, if you don't have your ID, you can input your student number, enter the PIN, then BAM! You got your product. The last one, if you don't have any ID or you don't have any PIN registered, you can use the ordinary coin slot in the vending machine.
It includes booklets, pens, pencils, erasers, typewriting papers, which all you need in your exams and quizzes at school.
the items sold in the vending machine would have the same price with the bookstore. Our bookstore vending machine is not only exclusive in this institute. This can also be used by other schools and will also help their students. The problem we are trying to solve is not only a Mapuan problem, but also a problem of students in other schools.
With our product, you'll never be late again. Fast transaction is our mission.